Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, your trusted resource for elevating maintenance and reliability for your operations. In today's video, we're getting hands-on with a crucial part of your health facility, your indoor cycling bikes. We'll guide you through everyday, weekly, and monthly maintenance tasks that will not only enhance your customer's experience, but also prolong the life of your equipment. Let's get those gears turning and roll right into it. Indoor cycling bikes are a huge draw for fitness centers, gyms, and other health complexes. Keeping these bikes clean and in top working condition means your members stay safe and satisfied. So let's dive into some typical preventive maintenance tasks you can perform to keep your indoor cycling bikes in tip-top shape. Every day, there are certain maintenance tasks that can really elevate your customer experience. Firstly, cleaning. If your spin bikes are being used for multiple classes throughout the day, it's crucial to clean and remove sweat from the bikes after each use. Grab an antibacterial cleaner and wipe down the frames, handlebars, and seats. You'll want to focus on those areas where sweat can settle to prevent corrosion. At the end of the day, a visual check of the seat and handlebar post as well as the chain guard is a good practice. And don't forget to collect any lost items left behind like Internet of Things smart fitness watches or water bottles and return them to the front desk. Next, operations. For those high-usage facilities, take a moment to ride the bike. Check for vibrations, which might indicate that a quick adjustment is needed on the pedals, brackets, or drive chain tension. Now let's talk about weekly maintenance. With so many people using your cycling classes, it's important to ensure your equipment stays in strong working order. Yes, natural wear and tear will happen, but scheduling regular weekly maintenance tasks can keep your bikes feeling brand new. Again, cleaning is key. Clean and lubricate pull-pin assemblies, and make sure the seat is leveled, centered, and tight. Brush and spray resistance pads with silicone lubricant. Give the chrome a good polish and scrub the flywheel. Moving on to operations. Each week you should do a more thorough inspection of your indoor cycling bikes. Check all moving parts, pull pin frame fittings, bottom bracket, toe straps, and top clips. If anything looks loose or in need of repair or replacement, now is the time to address it. Always be on the lookout for strange noises or vibrations, which should prompt a more thorough inspection. Lastly, there are a few maintenance tasks that should be performed monthly. Check that water bottle holders as well as various nuts, bolts, and other hardware are secure. Lubricate the drive chain, seat post, handlebar post, and other moving parts as necessary. Assess your maintenance budget and make additions according to data provided by your CMMS. Clean and oil the brake tension assembly and check for missing threads. Remember, the goal is to meet the needs of your customers and provide excellent service. Regularly scheduling these maintenance tasks is a surefire way to keep your indoor cycling bikes running smoothly and your customers happy. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of regular maintenance for indoor cycling bikes, including daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and how these can enhance customer experience and prolong equipment life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. For more information about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Your success is our priority at Upkeep.